Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6th and dear students. Today we will discuss the question: what are the units of measuring the distances of stars from the earth? So dear students, most of the stars are so far away from the earth that the light, which travels at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers per second, takes millions of years to reach the Earth. Thus, the distance of the stars are measured in light years. So, dear students, as we know that the stars are very far from the Earth, even the light which travels at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers takes millions of years to reach the Earth. So, we cannot have any unit of measuring the distance. Thus, we measure the distance in terms of the light years. And what is a light year? Light year किसको बोलते हैं? Light year, the distance traveled. Light year is the distance traveled by the light at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers in 1 year. 365 days is called light year. So light year is equal to speed of light into 3 into 10 raised to power 65 days. So 1 light year is equal to, after the calculation of the speed of light as in 3 into 10 raised to power 5 and 365 days and 24 uh, 24 minutes, we can count it into hours and then minutes and then into seconds. So after the calculation, its value comes out to be 9.46 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers. So this much distance is 1 light year. This much distance is 1 light year. So dear students, light year is basically the distance traveled by the light. How much distance is traveled by the light at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers in 1 year. This is called as light year. So light year is nothing. It is the distance traveled by light at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers per second. After the calculating the values, it comes out that 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers. So another question is, what is light minute? So light minute is the distance traveled by a light at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers per second in 1 minute. So light year is distance traveled in 1 year. This is distance traveled in 1 minute. 1 light minute is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers per second into 1 minute. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So after calculating the value, it comes to 18 into 10 raised to power 6 kilometers is 1 minute, 1 light minute. 1 light minute. So 1 light minute is equal to 18 into 10 raised to power 6 kilometers. So dear students, both light year and light minute, these are the units for measuring the distance of sun from the earth. Because these stars are very far away from us, we cannot have any measuring unit. So for the measuring unit of calculating the distance of stars from the earth, we use light year or minute year terms. Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year at a rate of 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometers per second. This is the distance traveled by a light in 1 minute at the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometers per second. So 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 12 kilometers, and 1 light minute is equal to 18 into 10 raised to 6 kilometers. So dear students, these are the two important measuring units of distance of stars from the sun. The students stay connected